In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable copy and paste on any website and fix a disabled control key. Sometimes you're on a site where you really need to copy some text, maybe for research or to quote a section. But when you try to use Ctrl+C or right-click, nothing works. Many websites use scripts to block copying, pasting, or even selecting text. While their intention might be to protect content, it can be frustrating when you're just trying to study, take notes, or work more efficiently. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple, safe way to re-enable copy and paste so your keyboard shortcuts work again. We'll be doing this directly in your browser, so there's no need to install any extra software. I'll be demonstrating the general idea. And you can follow along in most modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Brave, since they share similar tools. First, open the website where copy and paste is disabled. Try pressing Ctrl+C or trying to highlight some text, just to confirm that it's actually blocked. If you can't select anything, or nothing happens when you hit Ctrl+C, that means the site is using JavaScript to override your normal controls. Next, we're going to temporarily disable that behavior. Go to the address bar where the website URL is shown. At the very start of the address, you'll see something like HTTPS. Click right before that and type the words View Source directly in front with no spaces. So it should read View Source, followed by the website address. Then press Enter. What you'll see now is the source code of the page. This is a read-only view, and it doesn't run the website's blocking scripts the same way, which means you can usually select and copy any visible text here. Use your mouse to highlight the content you need, then press Ctrl+C. You can now move over to your document, Notes app, or email, and press Ctrl+V to paste what you've copied, if that method feels a bit technical. Another simple option is to disable JavaScript temporarily in your browser settings. Reload the page and then try copying again. Just remember to turn JavaScript back on afterward, because many sites rely on it to function properly. Use these methods responsibly. Don't try to bypass paywalls or protected content you don't have rights to. This is mainly for situations like learning, research, or your own personal use. And that's how you re-enable copy and paste on almost any website and fix those disabled control key shortcuts.